Hello guys, we're gonna make lunch together. I'm just gonna do simple, like a sandwich. I don't feel, well actually I don't have pretty much anything else in the fridge, so it's not even a sandwich, kind of like an open sandwich. This is gonna be very light lunch. I'm afraid I'm gonna be hungry still after I eat this because these bread slices are so small. I'm just realizing that. So I'm gonna do one with cream goat cheese, a little bit of like olive oil, salt, pepper, maybe some herbs, and cucumber, English cucumber. And I'm gonna do the other one with avocado, some chili flakes, and some Italian prosciutto cotto, which is like a ham. So it's not like the smoked prosciutto, it's a cooked ham type of prosciutto. This makes me so happy that I wanted to share with you guys, but look at this olive oil. Can you guys see the color and the texture? It's like unfiltered, cold pressed, unfiltered olive oil from Italy. I found it at this store that I told you about. It's again very expensive for an olive oil, but it's just something that makes such a huge difference. Oh my god, look at that. And olive oil, balsamic vinegar, fresh loaf of bread, glass of wine, and I am good to go. If there is a little bit of cheese, that's like a whole meal for me. It's just so pretty. I feel like I don't want to put anything on top, but I need to add my cucumber, and I'll also add a little bit of that ham just to bump up the protein and feel somewhat satiated after this tiny meal. And this is my finished product, not nearly as cute as it was before. I mean, the one with cucumber is cute, this one is kind of gross, but I just, again, I need some protein. So let's eat lunch and I'll talk to you guys later. I should use this as an opportunity to do all like little chores that I have been putting off around the apartment, like starting with my closet, which is so chaotic and it just gives me anxiety to get dressed. So I made myself a cup of tea. I'm just drinking some white jasmine tea, one of my favorites. And I just discovered that I have a whole pack of it in the pantry. It was very well hidden behind a bunch of other random stuff. I'll probably stop buying Nutella and like Nutella-like products here. Sneakily, they are still using palm oil in their products here in the States. And they stopped doing that in Europe. I think consumers at one point were really loud about like palm oil and reducing the use of it, and they stopped using palm oil in Europe, but it is high up on the ingredient list here in the States because these products are or made in the States or are made specifically for distribution here in North America. So yeah, obviously I'm not gonna throw away food. These are delicious, but this is definitely something that I am not gonna buy again. I'm also gonna play a show because I need all the help possible. I need to make this process as entertaining and pleasant as possible because I absolutely despise going through my clothes, folding clothes, putting it away, and more than anything I hate like deciding where things go and like finding place for things, because I am so indecisive and I am pretty like, I like to be organized, so I like things to be very neat and organized, and then I have this like decision fatigue and I see the result in my mind, I see the mess in front of me, and I'm not sure like how to get there, like how to get from point A to point B. So I'm gonna play a show that I'm watching currently that I really like. If you like funny, quirky, like mystery type of shows, movies, books, you might like this show. It's called So Help Me Todd, and it's about this like quirky and it's about this young PI who loses his license, so he ends up working with his mom, and she's a lawyer and she's fabulous. Like I love her character. So yeah, it's pretty like cute, quirky show mixed with like murder mysteries and stuff like that. So yeah, I am gonna play the second season, second episode, and start cleaning up my closet. This looks so much better already. I need to find some like jewelry organizers. I only have this one little acrylic organizer, which is pretty old. It's from Muji, and I need to look if they have something else, something new that I can like maybe stack on, or yeah, I need to look into like jewelry organizers because I have a bunch of jewelry just laying there on my dresser. But yeah. And the drawers are kind of organized. This one definitely needs better like organizing. I might get some dividers for all my activewear, my workout clothes, because sports bras are like my nightmare. They're so difficult to store. They always get messy and then everything else becomes messy. Now it's kind of organized, so I am fine with this for now. And then I reorganized this drawer with some crew necks and like cotton shorts. That's good. And then this one is still super messy. It's the drawer with all my golf clothing, and I need to go through all of this and just reorganize and also get rid of some of the pieces in here because I don't really wear all of them. This is the current situation in my closet. It's not perfect. Like I don't know how much you can see like visually like this. So it's pretty like decent sized closet, but also it's not that big. So I do struggle with like making it look more streamlined and organized. Now that I look at it, I think I should probably color coordinate, and that's gonna make it look a lot better visually. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And also shoe storage is my problem. I got these in IKEA, these little shelves that I put, and I have a bunch of shoes down there, also some down here, and I have these also from Amazon, these plastic containers that I have more of. So maybe I should just like build a little shelf here, shelf unit here, and put more in here. So yeah. I'm so afraid of getting copyrighted because it happened to me once. It was like a random song playing in the background in a video, and ever since then, like I always turn off the TV or the radio, whatever, when I'm filming, because you know, like why would I do that? I am eating alone tonight because Giacomo has a business dinner, so I'm gonna just heat up some of my bolognese sauce that I have from yesterday night, and I've put on some water for pasta, so I'm gonna boil some pasta. Okay, while I wait for the water to boil for my pasta, I just wanted to talk about this little guy, I think it's called Pura. What's the name? Oh my god, I should have looked up before I started talking to you guys. It's like a diffuser, like fragrance diffuser for your home, and I think they make them also for cars. My main comment, like what I don't like, is that I don't really feel the smell. Like it's not really that fragrant. Like I can only smell it when I'm like passing by, and I don't feel like the smell when I enter the apartment. I don't feel anything, and I'm a little bit disappointed. I think you can control like the amount of scent that comes out, and also I was reading comments, so people do comment like, oh, this scent is very mild, you can barely feel it, that this one is a bit stronger. But the problem is like, I mean, I want specific scents. Like I really like coconutty smells, so I bought like 2 or 3 different coconut inspired ones, and sandalwood, and what else? Okay, so it is called Pura. I just found the app and I want to change the lighting. But again, my question is, what do you guys think? Ah, it was off, that's why. Okay, maybe that's why, honestly. There was no smell coming from it because it was off. Okay, let's see. I mean, now I just turned it on, and it's the Studio McGee Santal Vanilla scent. Okay, let's see. I bumped up the intensity, and I also turned on the actual diffuser and the light. But I do have a schedule, so it's not that I'm saying, like, it's not that it doesn't work. Like, I have a schedule, it just, it wasn't on for some reason, but I did turn it on, and I did like check the app, and it was on, and I just did not feel it. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I just need to increase the intensity, because probably depends on like the size of the space, and this is pretty big room. We have like an open kitchen, living, dining area, everything is one big open space. So maybe it's like too big, and I needed to bump up the intensity. Okay, a lot of rambling. I'm gonna try not to do that anymore in my vlogs because I think you guys hate it. So let's finish off the pasta and eat and shut up.